How to generate a QR code link to an Instagram post. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to generate a QR code link to an Instagram post. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you want to share an Instagram link on your website, printed media, or elsewhere, and want to make it easy for people to access, well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you how you're able to generate a QR code link to an Instagram post. So to do this, first make sure you've updated your Instagram app to the latest version, then open the Instagram app and go to the post you'd like to create a QR code link to. Now, tap the three dots in the top right hand corner of the post. In the menu that appears, select the QR code option. This will generate a QR code that links directly to the post you've selected. Tap one of the coloured dots to change the colour theme of your QR code. Tap Save QR Code to save an image of the QR code you've generated. Then you can use that image wherever you'd like. When someone scans a QR code, they'll be taken directly to the Instagram post you've linked to. And that's all it takes to generate a QR code link to an Instagram post. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.